Okay, come slowly, because you're freaking people out. Do some in the other direction. Yeah, there we go. Away from people. You're having fun. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, this is a little bit too close. Tyler, throw.
Wait, gimme. Wait, Tyler, give me.
Oh, hey, it's not at people.
Now chase him away! Chase him! Have no more, bestie!
Oh, sorry guys, all out. You got any chips left, Tyler?
Yeah.
Do you want them?
Mine.
Do you want them though?
Yeah, there's a couple crosses in here. I don't need any more chips.
Well, dude. Okay, the box is blowing away.
Hey, you got it. No, you fuck off. No! You're on!
It's like dinner time at home with the cats, isn't it? Are we done? We got more?
No, we got none. Oh, actually, Bestie's where did Tyler get?
Tyler, above your red mate. Don't poop! Don't poop! Don't poop! Don't poop! Don't poop! Don't poop! Ah! Tyler, fuck's sake! That's it, guys. The show's over. Go away now.